Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can turn off the restricted mode on YouTube. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the YouTube app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open up your YouTube account menu. At the top right corner, you'll see a settings icon which looks like a cog. Tap on this icon to access the YouTube settings. In the settings menu, look for the general option and tap on it. Here, you should see the restricted mode feature. Make sure to toggle this setting to the off position. So that's basically how you can turn off the restricted mode on YouTube. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.